Discover a revolutionary program designed to empower you to take control of your kidney health. The Chronic Kidney Disease Solution provides natural methods to manage and improve kidney function effectively. This comprehensive digital guide helps individuals support and restore kidney health through scientific lifestyle changes. Experience 3 key benefits of this program: regain your energy, manage inflammation, and boost overall wellness easily. How does it work? By targeting early and mid stages of chronic kidney disease, it offers actionable strategies that reduce stress on the kidneys. Learn how to choose kidney-friendly foods, maintain proper hydration, and integrate gentle exercises to improve circulation. Imagine reducing fatigue and swelling while enjoying better sleep. With detailed meal plans and lifestyle adjustments, you can support your kidney health naturally. Real users have seen incredible results. Sarah, 47, shares, "My creatinine levels dropped, and I feel much more energetic." Michael, 62, says, "This guide helped me protect my kidneys and manage my health." You can also benefit from the 60-day money-back guarantee, providing you with the confidence to try it risk-free. The program's price is just $49, including lifetime digital access and free updates for family members. Are you prepared to improve your kidney health? Click the link below to discover the Chronic Kidney Disease Solution. Begin your wellness journey today.